absolutely loaded. Fully serviced including 2 brand new tires. Technology package, Kia certified, 6-speed automatic with Sportmatic, Grade W leather seat trim, anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, backup camera, brake assist, CD player, delay-off headlights, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front bucket seats, front dual zone AC, front fog lights, garage door transmitter, home link. Heated and cooled front seats, heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, low tire pressure warning, MP3 decoder, occupant sensing airbag, outside temperature display, panic alarm, panoramic.